Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the laptop can communicate beyond charging. Use the original or a high-quality USB cable to avoid intermittent disconnects. On Windows, install the phone's OEM drivers or rely on MTP. On Mac OS, prepare Android file transfer. Once done, plug the phone into the laptop and watch the phone's notifications for the USB mode prompt. Make sure you select File Transfer or Transfer Files rather than Charge Only. Once the device is physically connected and set to file transfer, you'll usually see an RSA fingerprint prompt asking to trust the computer, accept it to allow debugging and file access. Make sure the phone screen remains unlocked while authorizing. Some phones refuse connections when locked. On the laptop, open File Explorer, Windows, or Android File Transfer, Mac OS, and let the system finish installing and mounting the device. If you need ADB access, verify ADB devices, list your phone before proceeding. Complete your task. Drag and drop files, run ADB commands, or enable USB tethering for internet sharing depending on the USB mode you chose. If the laptop does not detect the phone, first try a different USB port or the original cable, then reinstall drivers or toggle USB debugging off and back on. Restarting both devices often clears transient issues. One key troubleshooting tip: enable USB debugging and accept the RSA prompt again after a reboot to re-establish trusted connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.